Hey, what's up, Maniacs? Today we're going to install some new brake lines in this bad boy and stab in the engine, so come along with us.
What you got there, Jim?
Oh man, we got goodies.
We got goodies.
Yeah, we got goodies. Car back from upholstery, but I had a big punch list of items that Ryan said I needed, so let's see what the first one is. It's almost like Christmas. Ooh, thermostat neck.
Well, that box looks awfully small for the size of that that thermostat. It looks right.
Yeah, maybe, okay.
Interesting.
All right. This one, the Kumde something.
I don't remember it.
Yeah.
Creme de la creme? No, that's not right.
Oh yeah, the Lyle brake flaring tool kit.
A brake flaring tool. Another brake flaring tool kit.
So,
hopefully this one's the double flare that we need this time. If you know what uses a single flare nut for a brake system, leave a comment in the link below. Let us know what still uses a single flare that they even bother selling the kit for it. Before we drop the motor in, we need to finish up some brake line work. We don't have to, but it's going to be much easier to do without a giant engine sitting in the middle of this empty engine bay here.
yeah.
So we've got our nicely patinaed master cylinder, and we have our brake manifold down here. So we're going to remove the front two lines that go to the front of the car because the ports are on the master cylinder. And then for the rears, there's a port out the back side of the master, and we're gonna feed it back into this block and just plug off where the front lines were. We do have a proportioning valve that holds pressure on the rears since they are drums still.
Drums running off
Drums running off a new Power Brakes master cylinder?
Yeah.
Drums need a constant pressure. There's always a pressure maintained, whereas there's not on a disc. So you need this little proportioning valve kind of pressure regulator thing. So
It holds 10 psi in the line from it to the drums.
all right, let's get to work.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you'd like to support our channel, go to our website at maniacsgarage.com and check out the merch we have. We have t-shirts, hats, decals, we even have a backpack. Don't forget to leave us a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed. Well, let's get back to this video.
All right, we got the brake lines installed. Ryan did a really good job custom bending all the lines to spec. And
I think you need an energy drink,
To
bro.
spec.
you got any energy?
I think you need an energy drink. You need a little more energy.
Oh, okay.
There it is. All right, let's hear it.
Woo! All right, so Ryan finished up custom bend the brake lines on the Flare Master Jimmy D. I got really good with the flare tool, and what we have here is new brake line to the passenger, new check valve right here, 10 psi. Check valve. Check. We are ready to slap the engine in. Let's do it.
Let's do it. Now the car has a new horsepower engine.
Now it's got some real horsepower right now.
Oh, so what are we gonna do there, Jim?
We're gonna put the steering cylinder back in.
Had a lot of discussion about this steering cylinder. Thought we weren't gonna rebuild this one, so we bought a new one and it didn't work. We ended up rebuilding the one that was in the car originally. We're gonna drop it back in and hope for the best at this point. If it starts leaking all over or just doesn't work, then we'll go from there. But we did rebuild it. It wasn't, I don't think it was cost prohibitive to rebuild it, right? It's pretty reasonable. Yeah, so kind of a no-brainer. So as if it doesn't work, we're not really out anything other than a little labor, but.
Whoa! Dang, that's scary. Don't want you guys to tip this bad boy.
Nope, we don't want to either.
All right, hold on, I gotta go back.
Hey, watch out for the splitters on the 49, man. What's wrong with you guys?
So we got the engine in, as you can see. Got a couple bolts in for the bell housing. Got the dowel pins. We forgot to take the paint off the dowels. So getting them in the bell housing was a little more difficult than we anticipated, but got it in. We're really excited. It was probably been a year ago almost to the day that we pulled it out. So
Set it down on the motor mounts, put some nuts and bolts on there, finish that as bell housings, and wrap her up, man. Time lapse.
So it is in on the motor mounts.
Look at that, look at that.
All right.
So what's next? What are we doing, man?
Gotta finish like 4 more bell housing bolts and then,
Maybe stab a starter,
yeah.
get some pipe plugs in, start putting her back together, dude. This is exciting times. Hey, we caught something. Look at that. There is an engine in the 62 Merc for the first time in 1 year. That's right, it has been 1 year since we took this motor out, but it's finally back in place and we are extremely excited. Oh, that's true, it's not even the same engine. You're right, you're right. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you like our videos, you like what you're seeing. Hit that subscribe button. Yeah, right there. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us some comments. Let us know what you like, what you don't like. Thanks for watching.
See you on the next one.